Congratulations on being here this morning on 7th grade. Good luck.
Let's go, girls! You got it! Go, Roosevelt! Let's go!
Good, Sam. Anyway, G up! Anyway, Gia. Good job. A little bump here, a little bump, then it goes flat for a while. Good job. That's a way to get through it. Nice job. That's the way to go.
There, they're going to be about take that last right turn into Gauntlet. Meanwhile, Brianne Smith, the junior out of Quartz Hill, she is now in 4th place, comfortably there with about 200 meters to go. Clock at 17:45. And McDonald, she will have the fastest time of the weekend here, 17:38. Not a bad debut here at the Mount Sac course.
This thing rips.
Oh, it is so quick. There's a lot of heavy packed into this Bronco Sport. It's got a ton of horsepower. I love it. Alright, now we're getting to Harry. Now we're getting fun stuff. Yeah. I like how we can get over or around almost anything.
Yeah, I think you're right.
There we go. Great job.
The scion of Crescenta Valley, Nakamura, very impressive second half of the race there, but Newbury Park, Hawkins coming across 18:33, right next to her teammate Tiffany Sachs, 18:33.6. So 3 Newbury Park girls under 18:45. Check that. They're going to give Sachs the nod there for second place. They both finish together, but McDonald, he's the headliner here, 17:38. Brianne Smith of Quartz Hill, 18:55.
Go ahead and get some more. There we go. Finish it all the way through. There we go. Finish through. Great job. There we go. Great job. That's a way to go.
So your leaders here in Heat 2 of the girls, Murrieta Valley, Vista Murrieta leading the way there. Isabella Smith up in that front group, along with Ashley Miramontes of Catella, Lauren Scherger of Aliso Niguel, Michaela Anderson of Riverside Poly.
Great job, ladies. Great job, ladies. Go ahead and get some more, ladies.
Great second half of that race there from Crescenta Valley's Reese Sions, who moves up from 12th all the way up to 6th place there. Madison Nakamura of Roosevelt, Jasmine Munoz of Etiwanda, Nora Layton of Newbury Park also moved up 6 spots there over the second half. Hannah Wathrow of Roosevelt. So Roosevelt with 2 in the top 10. Newbury Park with all top 6 in the top 12.
Great job, there we go. Great job. Go ahead and get some more, okay? Great race. There we go, let's finish, ladies. There we go. Great job, there we go. Keep working, ladies.
So Miramontes and Isabella Smith of Vista Murrieta at the very top of the switchbacks.
There we go.
And Newbury Park in Heat 1, 5 across, well ahead of everybody else. Right now, Roosevelt, Crescenta Valley, Quartz Hill, Etiwanda. Those 4 squads all battling for those 3 remaining spots on the next Saturday's final. And Crescenta Valley, their second team here with 5 across the line.
There we go. Let's finish, ladies. Keep working. There we go. All right,
Roosevelt now joining them.
Great job. Go ahead and get some water. Go get some water. Great job. Walk over to the water. There we go. All the way through. Finish through.
And now Etiwanda, your 4th squad with 5 across. So Newbury Park, Crescenta Valley and Roosevelt tied currently. Again, these results are fluid. They continue to change as more teams come across. From Crescenta Valley and Roosevelt, they are punching their tickets on to next Saturday. But Etiwanda and Quartz Hill, they come down to that last and final remaining spot to qualify.
Great job, ladies. Go ahead and get some water. There we go. Let's finish. Great job.
Oh, it is so quick. There's a lot of heavy packed into this Bronco
think you're right. I'm super big. What made me think?
There we go, ladies. There we go. There we go. Good. Keep working all the way through. All the way through the line. All the way through the line. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's get here. Let's get here. Let's get here. Let's get here. There we go. Finish through. Finish through. Finish through. Great job. Great job. Great job. Get some water. Get some water. There we go. Finish all the way through, ladies. Keep working. Finish through. Finish through. Finish through. Great job, ladies. Great job, ladies. Go ahead and get some water, all right? Great job. There we go. Keep working. Keep working. Let's get all the way to the line. All the way to the line. All the way to the line.
On the starting line now, Heat 3 of that Division I girls. We got Beckman, Chafee, Island, Huntington Beach. Your Sunset Conference champions, their first title since 1987. Martin Luther King out of the Big 8 League. Lacerna, Del Rio League champs. Milliken, Oxnard, Rancho Cucamonga out of the Baseline League. Redondo Union, they're your top seed here. You're your Bay League runner-up. Tamara Costa, we're number 1 ranked for Division II of the state. San Jacinto, Warren, your San Gabriel League champions, and Yucaipa, your Citrus Belt League champs. So this will be Heat 3 on the line. Meanwhile, our leaders here for Heat 2 coming at the crossover.
Go ahead and get some water, okay? There we go, all the way through. There we go, great job. Go ahead and get some water.
And Kelly Gaffney moving up well here over the last 1/2 mile to take the lead. She went 17:22 here at the Mount Sac Invitational. Ashlyn Veramontes.
Great race, great race.
Anderson, a Riverside Poly. Smith, Vista Murrieta right there with Natasha King. So Vista Murrieta with 2 of the top 5. Agredo, Devlin Torza there in 6th. Yetter of San Clemente.
Great job.
Agredo with 5 across there with Tillay, Miller, and Rabaki.
Well, let's finish, let's finish. Whoa. There we go, let's get all the way through the line. Let's get all the way through the line. There we go, let's finish. Let's finish, ladies. There we go. Let's finish, ladies. Let's finish, ladies.
Danica Brinkman coming across that halfway point in 8th, trying to qualify as an individual. And the 4 heats here, you have to be top 6 on non-qualifying.